Padharo Sa. What makes you feel that rich, vibrant vibe? Rajasthani culture. Of course. Today's video is inspired by the age-old traditions of Rajasthan, bringing you a special upturn, a body cleanser crafted with surprising ingredients that you might enjoy every day. This journey is perfect for anyone looking to pamper their skin with an all natural, chemical free cleanser. So let's dive into this colorful and fact filled journey where ancient wisdom meets the simplicity of kitchen treasures. Let's get started with rolled oats. Imagine a gentle touch that smooths your skin and brings out its natural glow. That's the magic of rolled oats in your body cleanser. Rolled oats gently exfoliate, and their soothing touch calms irritation and redness. Friends, adding wild turmeric to your body cleanser enhances skin health by soothing inflammation and brightening the complexion. Its potent antioxidants purify and rejuvenate, promoting a healthier, more radiant glow. Next up is rice. Surprised? Oh, don't be. Rice flour has been a staple in skincare rituals for ages due to its remarkable benefits. Now, let's move on to a pulse with transformational skin benefits when used regularly. I'm talking about red lentil. It's renowned for its ability to reduce pigmentation and improve skin texture. Next, we have an ingredient that's a true cooling hero. It's Multani Mitti. This traditional clay is perfect for our body cleanser as it helps to cool the skin in the intense heat. It absorbs excess oil and impurities, leaving your skin refreshed and balanced. Gram flour gently exfoliates and cleanses, removing dead skin cells and excess oil while brightening and smoothing the skin. Next, we have mustard oil. This enriching oil deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin. We can't forget rose water for its ability to balance the skin's pH and to impart a refreshing, soothing effect. By now, we have gathered all the ingredients, but before we dive into the mixing proportions, here's something interesting. These all ingredients are not just effective, but they are completely natural and chemical free, unlike today's harsh market products that can damage your skin. For the preparation, begin with 100 grams of rolled oats, then add 50 grams of red lentils. Next, 50 grams rice. Now, we have to grind all these three ingredients together until we get a fine powder. They look so vibrant and colorful together, don't they? Once the powder is ground, transfer some into a mixing bowl. Time to add 50 grams of gram flour, followed by 1 tablespoon of wild turmeric. Then give it a good mix. After that, add some crushed Multani Mitti to the mixture. You can also use a mixer grinder to crush the Multani Mitti into a fine powder. This we need 100 grams. Mix the fuller's earth into the bowl, ensuring everything is well combined. The mixture is ready. By this, our first part is done. Now we are ready to move on to the second part, that is application. You can store this mixture in an airtight container. Now I'm going to show you how to apply this on your skin. I'm demonstrating with 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture, but if you are using larger quantities, adjust accordingly. And please follow the proportions for the best results. Here, for 1 tablespoon of mixture, I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and 1 teaspoon of rose water. But if you find the mixture is still a bit runny, don't hesitate to add a little more of the mixture to achieve the desired consistency. Apply a generous amount to your skin and let it rest for 12 minutes. Once the mixture has dried completely, remove it by gently rubbing it off. You'll notice that the dirt from your skin will stick to the cleanser, changing its color and making it look dusty. On the other hand, the skin where it was applied will feel completely dirt-free and incredibly soft to touch. I hope everyone is excited to try this and see the results for yourselves. Until we meet next time, take great care of yourselves and stay radiant.